Got the Y-Wing. Batmobile box. Tantive4. Almost done. Then over this way. The Super Star Destroyer. Toys from about 40 years ago. Poe X-Wing. That Star Destroyer was a toy that I received when I was in first grade. It's not a Lego, but I still have it. And oh, what is that thing called? I don't remember. This is the Imperial Bomber. TIE Fighter. Boba Fett's ship. The shuttlecraft. Luke's X-Wing. And then this one was from The Mandalorian. And I wasn't going to get it because I wanted to stick primarily with the original. But I ended up getting it because it had the Carl Weathers character. Unfortunately, he has since passed. And then here we have the no, not the snow speeder. Should be able to remember the name of that. And of course, it's not on the front page, but it's can't remember the name.